guys, it's Julianna, and guys, na-miss ko mag-film ng ukulele tutorial, so watch out for more. But today, I'll be teaching you guys how to play Mundo. Anyways, so just get on to the video. So for the intro, ganito siya. So hatiin natin siya sa 4 parts. So the first part is put your index finger on the 3rd string on the 1st fret. So, yan na lang siya. And then, your ring finger on the 3rd string on the 3rd fret. Pwedeng tanggalin nyo to, or pwedeng hindi rin, kasi magkapares na ng tunog. Put your middle finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. And then, your index finger sa 1st string on the 1st fret. So that is the first part. So on the second part, put your index finger on the 3rd string on the 1st fret. And then your ring finger on the 3rd string on the 3rd fret. And then yung ito, pinky finger? I don't know. Small finger, baby finger, I don't know. Ilagay niyo siya sa 1st string on the 4th fret. So, for the 3rd part, ganun lang rin. But this time, put your index finger on the 1st string on the 1st fret. For the 4th part, ganun lang ulit. Kaso, this time, you will put your middle finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. So, pag sumasamahin natin, so do that for like 4 times or 2 times. Depende yun sa inyo kung gaano kahaba nyo gusto yung intro. So, for the verse, I don't know what chord this is called. Put your finger on the 3rd string on the 1st fret, and then sa 2nd string on the 2nd fret. So, ang second na chord ay put your finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, at saka sa 3rd string on the 3rd fret. So, ipapluck nyo lang tong dalawang strings. Now, let's move on sa chorus. Now, may dalawa lang ring chord na kailangan for the chorus, which is, I forgot what it is called. But, so the first chord is G. Pero, ipupunta nyo siya dito. And, pwede nyo rin siya i-mute to. Pwede nyo tong i-mute kasi ang pangit ng tunog. Like, hindi yung ganyan. Mga, ano lang, parang itatouch nyo lang. So, ang second chord is, ibabar nyo tong 1st fret, put your finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, at saka 3rd string on the 3rd fret. So, for the strumming pattern, nalagay ko rin siya dito. So, ganito. Paulit-ulit lang siya, guys, sa intro, verse, and chorus. And yeah, that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Sorry if my hair is so sabog kanina pa.